Okay, hello. This is an example of a solution for Haseeb's problem. Basically, what I've done is I selected the curve and made a cluster on those two CVs. Obviously there's another CV there and there's a couple others, so you could actually put more in there. And I've basically just positioned it to where I wanted it for the starting frame. So if I move it over here, and basically what I did was I animated the envelope on the cluster, so that, because really if it's still on after you start it to play, it starts to act a little bit funny. It doesn't act. So if I leave this to 1 again, you'll see that it just, the deformation stays there, so it looks a bit odd. Unless you want it to stay there, then you can do that. But what I did is, to create the starting position, did the cluster, positioned it, and then animated it to turn off in about 10 frames, 8 frames. So this is what it looks like. Obviously you can tweak it so that it looks correct as you want it to be. Might just have to tweak the envelope. So, okay, well that shows it's working anyway. And then it's best, you really need to make sure that you turn it off actually, otherwise when you bake it out you'll get some strange deformation. But so it's like that, and then I've fixed the bake. So now if I highlight all of them, 175, yes, so now if I turn off the actual dynamics, so the dynamics are off, they're on, off. So now if I play, you can see that it's moving correctly. Obviously I wouldn't personally bake out the dynamics till you're very happy with it. I will be implementing a button into the script that is probably underneath the bake simulation button that says delete simulation or something like that, and that just means that you'll be able to tweak it better. But now that this is baked out, you can go and delete the cluster, because you don't really need that anymore, and then you can add additional animation on top of that. So that's just because I turned on the visibility of that. So that's one way around. I mean, we can maybe implement some kind of additional cluster or deformer into the rig, but we'll have to have a look at that. Okay. Okay, thank you.